Afia, this bait, this spiritual bait I want to give you, it will unblock you. It will unblock you. This one is not for luck. It's not for chance. This is not for prosperity. No, this is for people that have been sent evil arrow, people that have evil souls, people that have been, they are blocked. They don't shake way for you. They don't cause your papa, things are not working well. This one is called the envoûtement in French language. Okay, things are not working well for you. They don't cause you. They don't block you up and down. And this video is for you. If I've taught you, it is for you. Type Alafia to claim it. Oh yeah, give me this leaf. It's called Tegbosima. It's called Jupiter plant. Jakpatuma Wewe. Get me this leaf. Get me enough. The day you are doing it, as you are doing it, you are beating it, and it gets me enough. You pound it very well. Find a bucket of water, you pour it there, you squeeze it, you filter it, it will be slimy, to be there, blah, blah. You have pounded enough to be there enough. And get me any perfume of your choice. It can be Saint Michel, any perfume of your choice, Get me any perfume of your choice. You pour inside. Get me cow milk. Cow milk. It's like I've given this action before, but because people are giving testimony on it, I still might give it again. Get me cow milk, cow fresh milk. Go to Baba that's a get they make from them. Like half of Coke bottle, you pour in there. My brother, as you just waking up, go and beat. You that things have been blocked, things that are caused when you beat by the power of the universe, you will be unblocked. Things will be unblocked, okay? Things will be changed for you, okay? Yes, do this is direction. I give you guys from the bottom of my heart. Do it. You cannot be doing things of luck when you are being blocked. You cannot be doing things of prosperity when you are being held by your witchcraft or bad people from your family or whatever, or from your community. Some of you guys doesn't have respect. You guys have insulted the grand people, old people that have the Jew. Some of you guys will come on our life. We'll be talking Jesus Christ. We have insulted you. Give it check pay for you, bam. It will be following you. Come and use this one to free yourself. Okay? Alafia. Um, let me use this chance to promote this my soap. This was one of my very first soap when I came on to you on TikTok. I have to stop doing it. For last year, I did promote this soap because I stopped. This soap is called 21 Days Wonder. You are someone that you have been pressing. You can't even buy common jelly, common camera. You have not bought. My brother, when you start using this soap, when you unblock yourself, start using this soap under 21 days. 21 days, 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Client go die for you. Client go pay you. Boom. On that 3 weeks, 21 days, boom, go come. If the money is coming, the money is going. That's why I give the consequence of this soap. This soap, I stopped doing it because some people, they don't believe. This soap can make you, it can be the house under 21 days. But if you don't come and do the ritual, the house can crumble. Yes, that's why I stopped giving out this soap. But at times, some people, they are in Sapa, you have to use it. This soap, if you are in Tron, Puerto Rico, Lafia, you cannot use this soap. If you are a water child, you cannot use this soap. Yes, it's not soap for everybody. This soap is for those people that eat pig meat. You that eat pig meat. Yes, when you get this soap, order it from my hand. When you order it, on the 20 of, if you start using it, you must see a big boom. When you want to come on the 21 day, on the 21 day of using this soap, you buy a ram. Call me, I'll do a ritual for you. We'll talk to the Minon now. We'll settle them. My brother, whatever you've gotten, it will stay with you. Under 21 days, it's a good soap. If it's not good, I will not bring it here. But it comes with a ritual. You see, I'm go to my site, Honk Africa. I set it for $300. This soap is for boom. Okay. Those people that do not eat pig meat. Me, I don't eat pig meat. I don't use the soap. But if you used to eat pig meat, if you can have mine, get the soap. One is for 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. In Sefa, I'm selling it for 40,000 Sefa. Other 21 days, you come and thank me. Dan. You come to Benin Republic, come and locate me. Test and approve. The small one is for 80,000. The big one is 100,000. Okay, you guys hustler. You now cash out. Come and get this 21 days wonderful soap. 100 pa. 100 pa. 21 days, you come meet me. It's 3 weeks, you come and meet me. You come and meet me with your own car. We'll dedicate it. We'll do the ritual. Everything will be all right. Alafia lo. I'm being called Honogan Hosu Unpeji Lamado Kenefo. I'm a priest for Trump, Puerto Rico, Alafia, in here in the Republic. You can contact me on +229 4055 6643. Ciao.